What's growing arms? Nation Explosion here from the band Meth Cock, obviously. We're back here in the old blowing shit up grounds because it's explosions in the woods too, motherfucker! Oh, fire ants? Are these fucking fire ants, dude? Yeah, obviously the YouTube episodes aren't coming as regularly as they have been in the past because Brandon decided to get himself a fucking wife and kids. Now Darb just has to edit all the shit by himself. It's a one-man band here now! I'm alone! Get these fucking things off of me. I had to get a second job doing elephant circumcisions. The pay's not even that good. I mean, the tips are huge, but I mean, how are you gonna live off an elephant dick? It's just protein. There's no vitamins. Did you guys hear? We have 188 subscribers. We're fucking killing it, man. That's more than Custom Grow 420, Strain Central, Silenced Hippie, Aaron Richard, your mom. 2018, Domination's a shit! To the moon!
At this moment, we knew we could find one more subscriber. In the forest.
I think this is the spot. It's kind of cute.
I love him. Is he still alive?
I think he's still alive. Wake up, buddy! Hey, wake up! Hello! Hello! Are you subscribed to Darb Nation? I think he said yes. He said yes! Woo! Let's go hang out, bro! Exclusive VIP, Malcolm! Woo! Woo! Malcolm's here to stay! Whoa! Can't get me! Can't get me! So you're listening to right now, Stoner Metal? You check out the new Sleep album? Sciences, pretty good.
This episode's brought to you by MasterCard and beer. Special thanks to Superstore with their cashier-less tills. We paid not for peanut M&Ms, but something else. I'm not gonna tell you what, because it's illegal, and we'll go to jail in Mexico.
Just bring in Malcolm. Malcolm probably wants to see.
Hey Malcolm, you gonna watch this shit?
You check it out, bro? Oh yeah, I'm totally gonna check it out. Super stoked to see that blow up.
Nice. Love blowing up candy.
What's up, Africa? Heard you like food, so we're gonna blow up these M&Ms. Hopefully they'll fucking reach you in a couple of days, give or take. Wind patterns, geographical locations, and climate. Fuck them. We're gonna basically throw these in here, put a bomb underneath it. The rest is history. You know, like Hiroshima. I'm not sure if it's gonna work. Malcolm, you think it's gonna work? Hell yeah, I think it's gonna work. Let's get it. This goes up to Best Buy. Thanks for the extended warranty. Hakuna Matata, bitch. Holy fuck, we gotta review that. And we're gonna actually blow up the side armament of what looks like a wooden version of Minas Tirith, the great mountain city in Lord of the Rings. And basically, I've been actually conducting a scientific experiment on the sexual relations of dogs and humans. So if anybody needs me, I'll be inside my dog. Oh, god damn it. I mean, I'll be in my lab. I fucked up the joke, Brandon. Should I shoot it again? Fucking hell. Let's send this bitch in the sky!
What you doing, Dubs?
I'm here to fuck with the fire ants that bit me in my ass. This whole fucking nest is going up, bro.
Nice. The internet supports you.
PETA, suck my dick. I had to think of something.
Get closer.
I want it to be my dick.
PETA.
Hey, PETA, suck my dick. These fire ants are getting lit. All right, let's blow up Wood Mountain. You want to do it, Malcolm? Yeah! Malcolm wants to. Let's do it. Oh my God! Holy shit! Dude!
Fuck you, fire ants, you dirty bitch.
Fuck you, fire ants! Bite me!
Yeah! Yeah, I can't get the shit out of it. Bitch. Ow! Oh my god.
We got another
Fire
fucking
bomb.
sick blowout.
Look at that C-section, boy.
Oh yeah.
That did not come with a vagina. That baby was too big.
That was pregnant by a face hugger.
I thought it was the queen. Dude, look at these ants. That's so crazy. It's fucking crazy they're in the middle of a fucking tree stump.
That's their home.
Like they literally must have dug tunnels.
Some people live in the streets. Some live in their mom's pouch.
Some niggas
Some
live in
people
trees.
fucking wood.
Crazy.
That's
little
Nat Geo.
fucker.
Just hollow out a good chunk there. For some reason, this really makes me want to put my dick in there, but I'm gonna try to refrain for the audience. And for my pal Brandon here, who actually has a wife and a kid now. And I've been Solo Man 5000. We're about to blow up a watermelon! Low budget slow-mo boys!
Whoa, bunch of some of my boys.
Low budget slow-mo boys! We them boys, we got low budget, and the slow-mo is super.
It's where you would stick your dick if you wanted to fuck a watermelon.
Are you filming me right now?
No, I'm just getting set up.
You better not be. So yeah.
Yeah, that's where you stick your dick.
Alright, fucking low budget slow-mo boys here. We're gonna blow up a goddamn watermelon. Malcolm, you think this is gonna work?
Kill me! Kill me!
Malcolm, maybe later. God, this is selfish. Am I right? Hey! Let's get it. So here's the dance. I'm gonna light it, plug it in the butthole, run around, start the slow motion. You're recording the whole time. All right?
Okay.
Okay.
Same old song and dance.
Oh God, this is not gonna work. This is not gonna work. There's no way this is working. The trajectory's all off. It's all off. Oh God. Oh God. What's gonna happen? Is it literally done?
I can see the fuse. Might have to just put a little flame in the fuse. No good?
In case you haven't said it already, don't do this at home.
Good.
Am I okay? Am I okay?
You look okay.
Are you sure?
You got watermelon on your face.
My thumb hurts and my face is covered in watermelon.
Might have burned your thumb.
God damn that.
I don't
hurt.
see any watermelon.
I can't hear what you're saying. Louder? This here.
You're bleeding out of your eyes.
I knew it. Oh, have you ever wiped your butt at 500 feet per second? I don't know. Malcolm?
Yeah, I do it all the time.
Obviously. Let's wipe our faggot ass butts! I'm gonna hang out with Malcolm. He's. Holy fuck! Holy shit! Holy fuck! Did you see that, Malcolm? Did you see that? Did you see that, Malcolm? Did you see that? Dude, it shook the camera.
That's what I like to hear.
Kind of fucked it up. Hey, Malcolm, are you gonna help us with this episode or what? Just gonna fucking sit there and let fucking flies eat you? You're dumb as hell, man. I rescued you from that fucking river. This is the respect I get, dude. This is fucked up. Brandon, let's fuck this bitch up. What do we do about a dumbass fish that doesn't want to participate in Nation Explosion? And fuck you, PETA! Yes, probably fucking, no wait, we should probably smoke a joint first before I get all the fish bacteria all over my fingers for the... Yay! He's a thief. He's a goddamn traitor. He deserves to pay.
That's fucked up. Oh, his butthole's leaking a little bit.
With a poopy butthole.
Malcolm, you've been eating shit.
How tight's that fish?
I've never felt anything tighter. I hope it blows. Fuck you, Malcolm! Take one! Attempt one! That's all we got! No, that's how it's happening. No! Don't fucking watermelon us!
Just lay the torch there and run away.
I hope so. Any second now. Don't just cook the fish, blow it the fuck up!
It's not getting hot enough to blow that fucking CO2.
No.
As usual, Brandon's a little fucking rusty, hanging out with his wife and kids all the time. He didn't actually record the explosion of the fish on the main camera, but I got it on the slow motion, which we'll play for you right now.
Oh my god!
Holy fuck!
Alright, that's some fucking fish debris right there on the fucking base of the shaft.
Delicious.
Let's roast this dumbass guy and see how he tastes.
What up, Malcolm? You glad we grabbed you from the river?
Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Leave a comment below if you liked the video. And if you didn't, also leave a comment below. Tell your mom about all the fun you had today. And check you out next time when I blow up my mom's house. Stupid.